So how do you change the text color on the iPad keyboard? Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. Okay, so the keyboard is one thing where with the keyboard you type in the text, and of course you can switch between the different keyboard types. But when it comes to the color of the text, this is basically irrelevant to the keyboard that you are using, right? You might be using any keyboard, but the place where you're writing the text actually has to allow changing of the text color. For example, in the iPad and Notes, it hasn't always been the case, but right now you can open up the note taking, right? Write in whatever you want, and then when you go to the format option, you have a couple of like highlight colors, which is like the purple, pink, orange, mint, or blue, and those are like the different stuff or different highlighters for the Apple Notes, which can change the color of the text. Other examples include going to the document apps, like for example, go to the pages where you can as well select some sort of text and also adjust it right there. So you will have the ability to type something in, and when you hold down on it, you can most definitely add some different things to the text customization, like you can change the font and also many other things in there as well. So yeah, you will have the ability to change the color of the text too, but that is of course irrelevant to the keyboard style, or if you are using the Gboard from Google or the built-in keyboard, because it only relies on the ability of the app to change and support a different color of text, right? So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Like, let me know in the comments if you actually managed to make it work on your device, if you achieved what you needed. I really hope I can help you out. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.